Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question and got a boring, generic, or even useless answer? The truth is, it's not the AI's fault, it's your prompt. Today, I will show you how prompt engineering can transform AI into your smartest study buddy and your best teaching assistant. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kumarasamy and welcome to this channel where we make technology simple and practical for college students and professors. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss tips on AI in education. Now we are going to see what is prompt engineering, why every student and professor need for that. What exactly prompt engineering? Think of AI like a genie. The wish you make decide what you get. Prompt engineering is the art of asking the right questions in the right way. For now, if you open ChatGPT, type explain machine learning. When you type like this, the ChatGPT generates the elaborate answer, types of machine learning and applications, why machine learning is important, all those things. To avoid that, you can type explain machine learning in simple words with real world example for beginners. You are define the role. Now the ChatGPT explained as a beginner level. This is how you need to give the prompt. Similarly, when you upload any document, now I uploaded programming in Java syllabus into ChatGPT. Here is the syllabus. You can give the prompt, act as a college student. Give me 10 MCQ questions with answer and explanation. When you give like this, ChatGPT generate question along with the answer and explanation. How many questions? Total 10 questions we will get. This is how you can give the prompt as a questions. And similarly, create a simple outline for above Java syllabus. When you give the outline, the ChatGPT generate all the units outline. This is how you can get the outline. And similarly, when you give act as a professor, create a 5 short questions for the given syllabus. When you give like this, we will get a short syllabus. So this is how you can give the prompt and get the response. And another 3 important golden rules for writing a great prompts. Be specific. Mention subject, level and format. And second, give the context like a beginner level or for PhD research scholar or professor or student. And third, refine your prompt. If the answer is not good, you can remodify the prompt and generate again. This is how you can generate the interesting information from the ChatGPT. Thank you for watching my video. More videos, like, subscribe, share and comment.